Hi, everyone. About a minute on some good news for the orange-bellied parrot and the North Atlantic right whale. And the good news is that two wind projects that could affect both of these critically endangered animals are likely going to be canceled. Let's start with the orange-bellied parrot in Australia. A couple of days ago, the Australian government announced it was going to approve a project that has been proposed, 900 megawatt project, proposed for Robbins Island, which is off the coast of Tasmania. But the government also said if the project gets built, it's going to have to be idled for 5 months out of the year because of the threat that it poses to the orange-bellied parrot. If this project has to be shuttered 5 months out of the year, it's unlikely, very unlikely, that it will be built. Now, for the North Atlantic right whale, also a critically endangered species, only about 400 left in the wild or in the world. A couple of days ago, Avangrid, the Spanish utility, announced it was pulling out of a deal to build Commonwealth Wind, which is a huge offshore wind project, 1,200 megawatts. The company said it was pulling out because the power purchase agreement it had with the state wasn't lucrative enough. Now, is this a bargaining chip? I don't know. But the reality is, if it is canceled, it's very good news for the North Atlantic right whale because the Commonwealth Wind project sits right on top of the habitat for the North Atlantic right whale. In fact, this is an area that's being used year-round by this critically endangered whale. So the fact that Avangrid may be pulling out, I think, is very good news because offshore wind is bad for whales, and it will be very bad for ratepayers because offshore wind energy is incredibly expensive. Okay, enough on that. Click the link in my bio for more about me. Like, share, follow for more energy and power content. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.